Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can insert a chart in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the window search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Maximize it. Click on the blank document. Now here at the ribbon, you will find the Insert tab, which is the third tab from the left. Click on that. And here you will find Chart. Click on Chart. And here you will find all the charts. You have column, line, pie, bar, area, stock, surface, all the type of charts. Now let's try with the basic one. We have this pie chart. This is the common chart. We also have here the design. So it's up to you. Then simply choose from here. Now let's try with this basic one and click on OK. It also have a data already like this. As you can see, it already have a data. Now let me close this. And then if you want to insert your own data, you just need to make a right click on it and then select this option, edit data. And you just have to simply enter your own data from here. And that will be the data for your chart. Okay, you can also edit this color. You have here on the right pane, you have here the chart styles. You can simply change its style. It's up to you. You can explore from here the color that you like or the style. You have this one, this color white. So it's up to you. And then that's it. That's how you can also resize this by increasing its size. So the numbers or the data will be very visible. So that's it. That's how you can easily insert and edit a chart in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.